We're talking about the GIEQs Foundation. The GIEQs Foundation was set up in 2001, just after the start of the COVID pandemic. Quite an ideal time to set up a organization that was primarily based around the potential to have a live meeting about endoscopy. And it evolved from there into the virtual space immediately out of necessity, and then has evolved since then into the organization. So this map is kind of a bit of an idea about the reach of this organization already. So it's only been around for 3 years, because I made a mistake saying 2021. It was 2021 when we started the GIEQs Symposium, but the foundation was not set up until the year after. So the reach of this organization is already very broad. And to be honest, I think if you were to update this, because we did this map in GIEQs 3, which was a year ago, you probably would see a lot more of South America and a lot more of Africa coloring than you do now, because we have been working significantly on that part of the organization. So the last 3 minutes, I want to touch on some new things that we've done with GIEQs Online recently, and you won't find them right now on GIEQs Online, but they will over the next month be rolled out onto the platform. The focus for 2023 is we as an organization are in the enviable position of having the opposite problem to most organizations. Most organizations have a great platform and no content. We've got too much content and a platform which is now starting to creak along and be a little bit 2021, not 2023. So what could we do about that? Well, we've got some really pretty big things that we're coming to change. Search was something that you've all been asking us for. We've added a search bar here to the landing page of GIEQs.com, where you can search for anything on the site by keywords, filter, and find exactly what you're looking for. And we're not just searching for the tags anymore. We're also searching the text of the videos. We've been using AI to read the transcripts of all of our videos. And while you may not find it perfect, and you may find some extremely funny phrases in there, all the videos, almost all the videos now have a description of them, which you can read through and which you can get the idea. And I think getting the idea is probably exactly what it is. Some of them are curated, so prospectively, if you like, from now, we will curate those AI descriptions. So they're kind of generating learning objectives and a bit of a description of the video. But retrospectively, we declare up front we will not curate them. And so these are just what the AI has come up with when it's analyzed the text track of the video that we have produced. And sometimes it's actually quite useful because you can kind of see at a glance what's in this video. Do I want to watch it? Is there something in here that's useful for me? And we make no apology retrospectively that there's mistakes in the text or the English. Then you have my experience. So biggest thing we got told is there's so much on this site. Why can, how can we just find something that's useful to me starting off? Well, we implement this my experience where you say, well, I'm looking for colonoscopy, and then sort of what stage you're at, 50 to 100 colonoscopies, 200, 300. And then you get this kind of curated page where you have short videos. We know that where everyone's got a decreasing attention span, lots of different inputs. So there's some very nice short videos on this site which kind of describe a key concept or idea with a demonstration. And then we get into tags. You all know about tags, but tags link everything together in GIEQs.com. And we now provide a page for each tag where you can see the videos, related tags, and you can see a description that we will start to provide per tag. From that page directly, you can jump right into the tag viewer and you can start saying here, turning patient to supine, 17 examples on the site. You can jump between them. So this is another new feature that we've added. And finally, we've added, and I've just described it, we'll go through it again. Here, this button at the top, the Tag Explorer, so that you can really, before you could search for tags, but you couldn't really see all the tags on the site. Well, now you can. You can filter them by topic area. You can look through, just like I showed you before, a description and all the videos associated with that tag. And when you click on one of them or any of the related tags, you can jump again, either get more information about that tag, or you can jump into the video and again, jump through all the videos containing that tag.
So my vision is for your basic procedures, your gastroscopy, your colonoscopy, and eventually we'll go into other areas where you have a curriculum of how you acquire that skill, the knowledge you require, the tips and tricks to overcome issues and problems, differences in anatomy, findings, etc. And a curriculum will lay that out like a book. So the idea is you go to the website and it's like reading the index of the book.
Yeah.
And of course, because it's electronic, you just click on it and it takes you to that page. And it means you can jump through the book. You don't have to start at the beginning and work through. You can just hop about.
But the important point really for us is there will be the content related to each component of the curriculum.
Yes, absolutely.
So, you know, if we look at polyp characterization, part of the curriculum, there will be links to all polyp characterization videos and learning material in the videos. So,
and the references and everything go with it. The beauty of it is it will all be embedded and linked together.
So I want to close the session by thanking the people who have made all of this possible. And that's not just the people you see here, but it's also this hospital, the UZ Gant. It's also the people who work here, the nurses, everybody else, Caroline, my fellows, my research team, John's research team, John's fellows, Roland's support, everybody, our families, some of whom are here and some of whom are at home, for putting up with us doing this. Thank you, everybody, for your support. And we hope to go further in the next year. And now we're going to get on with day 2 of GIEQs 4. So see you later.